You know, I've heard some of these windows, instead of just air, they have argon or some other gas in these windows. Are these argon filled?
These are not. The argon gas is particularly helpful in northern climates, again, where you're worried about that conductive heat loss in the winter. You're heating your home and that air is trying to conduct through the glass to the outside. Argon is heavier, it's an inert gas, heavier than air, and it slows that conductive process.
Now, Chip, I really like this frame on this, and it looks like plastic, but I know you said it's fiberglass. What are the advantages to fiberglass?
Well, one big advantage is you can paint it, unlike vinyl, so you can get any color you want.
And you can't do that with plastic.
Exactly.
Isn't it true that the fiberglass also expands and contracts at the same rate of the glass?
That's a great point, absolutely. Normally with building materials, you have a lot of stress where the glass meets the frame because they're moving at a different rate.
Right.
Fiberglass is made of glass particles, so that coefficient of expansion and contraction is the same, much less stress on it.
Okay. And tell me about the U value. You hear that all the time.
Yeah, U value is the way that most windows and doors are measured. Most people are probably familiar with R factor, which means resistance. So the higher the R factor, the more resistance to that transfer. U value is the inverse. U value is measuring the BTUs per hour per square foot that are transferred through the window or door. So for example, these have a U value of about 0.3, which is pretty good.
Okay, so when you're measuring the resistance to heat flow in a wall, it's an R value. When it's a door or window, it's a U value.
Exactly. One is the inverse of the other.
Okay. Well, I love what these windows have done for this room. All right. I cannot believe how much more quiet it is in here.
Yeah, the dual pane glass or the fiberglass frame make a world of difference. A lot of people don't expect that type of noise reduction that they get from new windows and doors, but it is significant. And you know, Charlie, we can even cut the noise more by varying the thickness of the two panes of glass.
Okay, now what type of doors are these?
These are made by Milgard. They're one of the largest window manufacturers in the country. They carry a lifetime warranty on all their products. And I'm a big believer in this product, especially the fiberglass. We found them to be our favorite manufacturer.
So everything we did here today was Milgard?
Yeah, Milgard all the way.
Okay, Chip, all these windows and doors on the north side of the house have these huge overhangs. Do we still need a coating?
You really do, because you still get a lot of reflected heat off the concrete surface in the swimming pool, so it's a good idea.
Okay, so you still get protected with that.
Absolutely.
Okay. Also, these are the fiberglass frames, and it looks like they're already painted. Does the homeowner need to go and recoat that?
No, this is a factory finish, so this is done. You don't have to do anything to it. You could paint it another color using a good acrylic paint, and that's one of the advantages of fiberglass. You know, fiberglass is such a great building material. Unlike wood, it'll never warp, rot, split. It's impervious to insects. Fiberglass is made of glass particles, so it's compatible with the glass. In other words, the two are going to expand and contract at the same rate, minimizing the stress on that seal.
So it's going to make this product more durable over time.
Yeah, it's a great choice.
Okay, great. Let's check out the other windows.
Good deal.